Welcome back. So in this video we are now going to look at the Outlook, how we can use Copilot in Outlook, and some scenarios what you can do with it. So we have already looked at in the previous presentation the stuff you can do with Copilot, but this is specific to Outlook. We are going to look at what we can do with Outlook. So when you have a long list of emails and you want to triage the most important one among them, Copilot helps you to do that. And Copilot, by triaging your inbox on what needs to be responded, you are also saving a ton of time on your inbox. And when it comes to mobile, Copilot helps you to summarize long emails or draft a reply using data from an Excel file, or if you don't like the writing style, you can change the text length or the writing style, and you can revise your draft and even add more context and review the response